Hey y'all, your girl is back, and today I'm gonna be doing another lip combo. Get into the TikTok lashes. I will put them down below, but so let's get into it. So I have this matte lip color by Elf. This is kind of like what the color like. It's kind of like a pinkish purple shade. And then I have this dark brown. I don't know how to say it, but it's Palladio. I don't know, but this is dark brown and this is the lip liner, and this was lipstick. And then I have the Dior lip oil cherry flavor. So yeah, I'm gonna do the lip combo and I'm gonna let y'all watch me. Okay girlies, we're gonna start with the lip liner. So excuse me if I'm looking in my vanity mirror because I gotta see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna look in the vanity mirror. So when I hold the pencil kind of sideways a little bit. Not sideways, but slanted. And I'm drawing this line on a little thicker than I did the last video. Don't worry about if it gets on my skin, okay? Okay, so this is how it looks so far, but right here I'm gonna bring it down just a little. I know, I got perfect lips. I'm gonna just do that. Now, we're gonna be moving on to the matte lip color. So, this is how it looks like. It's like a round thing, whatever. So, I'm gonna put this on. That's just with the lip liner and the matte lip color. It eats, don't it? I know. 1 second. Okay, now we're gonna add the Dior lip oil. Some people like to wear like this. I know I've worn like this before. But I'm gonna add some shine to it. So this is just no shine. We're gonna add a little bit of shine, okay? Okay, so this is with shine. It looks pretty good. I look pretty good. Yeah, so again, Dior dark brown lip liner and then the matte lip color. It don't say, maybe it do say. It does say it's in the color Tea Rose and it eats. No makeup, just lashes and lip liner. Lip combo on it.